Welcome to lesson 3. We're going to get a ruler. We're going to measure the length of the wing. It's approximately 10 inches. So we're going to place a mark at the 5-inch line. This will be the center. If you want, you can draw a line across that. That helps. And then what we're going to do is you're going to need the fuselage and you're going to need a rubber band, which you can get from your teacher. You're going to place the rubber band or the wingtip through the rubber band, and then we're going to place the wing on top of the flat of the fuselage. We're going to let the wing go out a little bit on one side so it's uneven. Then we're going to take the rubber band, we're going to stretch it around the fuselage. Put it around the wing so that now the rubber band goes across there and goes across the fuselage. And then we're very carefully going to slide the wing up so that your 5-inch line, the center, is where it needs to be on the airplane, or even with that top. And then we're going to gently rotate without breaking your fuselage. We're going to rotate that wing up, bringing the rubber band in as we go so that it's held like this. We're going to line it up so that it is center across our airplane. Bring the top of the rubber bands in so that they hold the wing in place like that. Okay, see how that goes? Okay, at this point now, we're ready for the hot glue gun. We have everything in place where we want it. We'll flip this over upside down. You're going to go to one of the tables that has the hot glue gun. Make sure it is set on the cold setting. If it's able to be set on the cold setting, we do not want to put too much hot glue on here, and we do not want to touch the tip to the airplane. We're going to put 2 dabs on here on each side of the wing or the tail, or yeah, the wing. You do not have to do a layer the whole way across. All you need is 2 tabs. Remove the excess glue. Let that dry for a few seconds. That'll hold that on. Then the next thing we need is the tail section. Again, we want to measure across the back of the tail. And that looks like it's 5 1/4. So we'll come in, sorry, 6 1/4. We'll come in 3 1/8. Put a mark. That'll be the center of our tail section. And then I have cut a groove into the back of your fuselage. You're going to slide that in with the small flat going in. So it looks like an arrow going forward. We're going to line up that back mark. And then again, we're going to take it to a hot glue place section. We'll place a piece of hot glue on there. We're going to hot glue that in place. You're going to have to hold it for a minute while the hot glue dries, it cools down. And once you do that, your airplane should be all put together. If there's any questions, please review the video. Good luck. Go ahead and get started working.